Oh, what it do? What's up? Kenna? Hey, 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 hey. What's poppin', Curly Crew? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your good sis, Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And y'all, today's video, I'm super excited because this is my very first YouTube Sephora Squad campaign. Okay, y'all, your sis is so excited for this. Before I go ahead and get into the details, make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys join the Curly Crew by doing one thing for your girl and one thing only, okay? And that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hey, like you mean it, and join the Curly Crew because we would love to have you here. So y'all, in today's video, we are going to be getting my hair together. My hair is really dry and matted right now, and this is the stage that honestly all of us reach at some point, one or another. And also this video is also very special because it is sponsored by Sephora. So you guys sent in all those testimonials to get your sis selected for the Sephora Squad, and it worked, okay? So we are now part of hashtag Sephora Squad, and this is the first YouTube video that is going to be sponsored by them in partnership with that collaboration. So we're going to be going from dry matted hair to some juicy curls using two products. And these products are ones that I have never used on my curls before receiving them. So these are new to me, and I'm pretty sure they may just be new to you guys as well. So for conditioning, I'm going to be using the Fable and Main HoliRoots hair mask. Rich repair for stressed hair with coconut cream and banana. Which y'all, I'm super excited to be trying this out. I have really good feelings about this, and I just kind of feel like it's going to be super moisturizing to my curls, especially since it has banana in it. And then for my leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Gizu Honey Infused Leave-in Conditioner. And this is a spray leave-in, so it's going to be kind of lightweight on the curls, which would be bomb for styling. So let's go ahead and hop right into the shower and not waste any more time. I'm going to be going more in depth of these two products. Please guys, make sure to stay tuned and support this video just because it's what we prayed for. Oh, and I do want to give y'all a quick look at the curls in case y'all thought I was playing. Huh? Just in case you thought I was playing. No, sis. Okay, I'm not playing. Look, do y'all see all that crust up in there? Ooh, y'all, my hair itches so bad, and it most definitely needs some good conditioning, okay? Sis, I ain't playing, y'all. Okay, let's tackle this wash day. I mean, we got to get it done, okay? One way or the other, this hair needs to be cleansed. And my hair has some definition, but it most definitely is still dry and crusty in certain areas, especially the perimeter. So that's really going to be my focal point. So first thing first, I'm going to drench my hair in water because clearly the only way to fix dryness is to add moisture, right? So water is that moisture, so I'm going to be drenching my curls with warm water because I am low porosity, so warm water is key. Also, whenever I wet my hair, I just feel like it becomes way more manageable. So here's my curls before shampooing and then after shampooing. So now let's go ahead and get right into the deep conditioning process. So of course, I'm drenching my hair just to make sure that it is thoroughly wet. I like to apply all of my conditioners on soaking wet hair. This is the texture of this Fable and Main HoliRoots repairing hair mask. When I tell you guys, the texture is so creamy. Like, what? It is so creamy, y'all. And also, guess what's in this product? You guys are not gonna believe. It has mango butter in it, which you guys know how much we mess with the mango butter over here. And it also has the banana in it, and banana is super bomb for helping with moisture. And also it has coconut cream, and it has shea butter and coconut water. So this conditioner is most definitely so moisturizing and hydrating. Guys, like, my curls, look at how much my curls are absorbing this product. I didn't even like brush it yet, and it's already just soaking into my strands so easily, and it started to dissolve a lot of the tangles that my hair had. Just look at how much more juicy my curls look, and I haven't even brushed yet. So now I'm going to show you guys the detangling process in real time. I did not want to speed this up because I really wanted you guys to see how I'm working out these tangles with this detangling process. So I'm literally starting from the bottom and just working my way on up and releasing all of those knots until this entire section is thoroughly detangled. I love doing this because it allows me to make sure that the product reaches all of my strands basically. And you guys can just see right here, like, oh my gosh, look at how well this product just detangled my curls and left me with moisturized results. When I tell y'all this will become a staple of mine, I just really love the creaminess of this product. I love the ingredients of this product, and they are also cruelty-free, vegan formula, no silicones, and it's for all hair types. So I mean, I don't see an issue at all, y'all. Like, I really do love this product, and look at just how defined my curls are instantly after I've used this. So now I just went ahead and finished my whole head, and look, y'all, I am so shook at this product. I feel like this is one that I would have never just picked off the shelf my own. Like, I'm super excited and thankful for this opportunity because I was able to try another type of mask, the one that I wouldn't have picked up, and I absolutely love it. My curls are so defined after rinsing it out. It's bomb. So now let's get on to the leave-in conditioner. This is the Gisou Honey Infused Leave-in Conditioner. First thing first, I'm going to be spraying this throughout my entire hair. This is also a spray type of concept, so it does allow for even distribution, and I like to split my hair in sections when it comes to spray leave-ins because I kind of feel like you really only spray the surface level, so make sure that you are splitting your hair on up. And also, as you guys know, honey is a humectant, so it adds moisture, draws moisture into your curls. And one thing, this is so lightweight, but I really love how it defined my curls. Like, look at how clumped my curls are just with this leave-in alone. Also, don't forget to apply this to your ends. It's super important that you get all of your strands. But can we just look at this definition with a spray leave-in? Like, I'm here for it, y'all. This is bomb and beautiful. This leave-in is also designed to hydrate, smooth, and protect the hair from heat, pollution, and breakage. It also has baobab extract and argan oil in it, so we love that, okay? We love to see it. And y'all can clearly tell how hyped I was, or I am. Like, y'all, come on. These results are popping. Like, I am thoroughly impressed, if I can say the least. Like, hair dryness who? My curls are not dry anymore, okay? So this is the final look with some nice popping curls, some defined moisturized curls. We most definitely came a long way from the beginning to now. Like, talk about a transformation, guys. This is amazing. So, curly crew, pick up your Fable and Mane HoliRoots repairing hair mask and Gisou Honey Infused Leave-in Conditioner right now from Sephora. Trust me, these are bomb for our natural hair to cure that hair dryness because clearly my curls are popping. Shout out to Sephora for sponsoring and to you guys for tuning in. Peace. Love you guys.